Imagine turning the clock back to one of the most charming cars ever made, then fast-forwarding it straight into the future. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Subaru 360, a modern reinterpretation of the legendary microcar that once put Japan on four wheels. This is not just a car review, it's a story of nostalgia meeting innovation, a tiny icon reborn for a new generation of city drivers who want style, efficiency, and personality in one compact package. From the very first glance, this car makes you smile. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the Subaru 360 could become one of the most talked about urban cars of the decade. Asterisk, starting from the front. The 2026 Subaru 360 instantly pays homage to its classic roots while embracing a clean, futuristic design language. The round headlights are unmistakably inspired by the original, but now they're fully LED with smart, adaptive lighting that automatically adjusts to city traffic and night driving. The grille is minimal, almost symbolic, with subtle Subaru badging that keeps the face friendly rather than aggressive. The front bumper is smooth and aerodynamic, with soft curves replacing sharp lines, making the car look approachable and modern at the same time. There's also a compact lower air intake designed to improve efficiency rather than performance, which perfectly matches the car's urban-focused personality. Asterisk, moving along the side profile. This is where the Subaru 360 truly stands out. The compact dimensions are intentional, making it ideal for tight city streets and crowded parking spaces. The roofline gently arches, echoing the bubble-like silhouette of the original model, while flush door handles and aerodynamic mirrors give it a modern touch. The wheels are small but stylish, typically around 14 to 15 inches, wrapped in Lorling resistance tires to maximize efficiency. A subtle character line runs from the front fender to the rear, adding a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Two-tone paint options and playful color choices make the 360 feel less like a boring commuter and more like a lifestyle statement. Asterisk at the back. The design remains simple and charming. The rear lights are compact and rounded, again referencing the classic look but upgraded with LED technology. The tailgate is clean, with a wide opening that makes loading groceries or small luggage surprisingly easy for such a small car. The rear bumper is understated, with no fake vents or unnecessary design tricks, reinforcing the idea that this car is honest about what it is. A small roof spoiler and carefully sculpted rear edges help improve aerodynamics, which is crucial for maximizing range and fuel efficiency in daily driving. Asterisk, step inside the 2026 Subaru 360 and you'll be surprised by how thoughtfully the space has been designed. The cabin may be small, but it feels open and airy, thanks to large windows and a simple dashboard layout. The materials focus on durability and sustainability with recycled fabrics, soft-touch plastics in key areas, and customizable interior color accents. The seats are designed for comfort rather than sportiness, offering good support for city commutes and short highway trips. The dashboard features a compact digital instrument cluster paired with a central touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expected to be standard, making smartphone integration seamless and easy. Asterisk, storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the interior. There are multiple small compartments, cup holders, and door pockets that make daily life more convenient. The rear seats are best suited for short trips or additional storage, but they can fold down to create a surprisingly usable cargo area. For a car of this size, practicality is clearly one of its strongest points. Subaru's reputation for safety is also evident, with advanced driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and pedestrian detection likely included even in base trims. Asterisk, when it comes to performance. The 2026 Subaru 360 is not about speed, it's about smart mobility. Power is expected to come from a small, efficient powertrain. It's most likely a mild hybrid or fully electric setup, depending on the market. In electric form, it would offer smooth, quiet acceleration that's perfect for city driving, with a range designed to comfortably handle daily commutes and errands. The lightweight construction keeps the car agile and easy to maneuver, while the suspension is tuned for comfort over rough urban roads. Steering is light and responsive, making U-turns and tight parking situations stress-free. This is a car built for people who value ease of use over raw performance. Asterisk. Pricing is where the Subaru 360 could truly shine. The goal is affordability, staying true to the original model's mission of providing accessible transportation. In most markets, the 2026 Subaru 360 is expected to start at a very competitive price point, making it one of the most affordable new cars available. Even with modern technology and safety features, Subaru aims to keep ownership costs low through efficient energy consumption, minimal maintenance requirements, and strong reliability. This makes it especially appealing to first-time buyers, students, and urban residents looking for a practical yet stylish solution. Asterisk, if you're considering this car. It's best suited for city life and short commutes rather than long highway journeys. It's perfect as a daily runabout, a second car for the family, or even as a stylish alternative to public transportation. Buyers who value personality, efficiency, and ease of driving will appreciate what the Subaru 360 offers. However, if you need high performance, long-distance comfort, or large cargo capacity, this might not be the right fit for your lifestyle. Asterisk, as we wrap things up. The 2026 Subaru 360 proves that sometimes smaller really is better. It's a car that doesn't try to impress with horsepower numbers or aggressive styling, but instead wins you over with charm, practicality, and a strong sense of identity. By blending classic design, inspiration with modern technology, Subaru has created something that feels both nostalgic and forward-thinking. If you're looking for a car that stands out in a sea of oversized vehicles and brings a smile to your daily drive, the Subaru 360 might just be the perfect match. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.